Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Each and every part, each and every village, they are their own achievements, historically, traditionally, and the village concept of Gandhiji, Grama Swaraj, we can see in our villages. And if God blessing me, I think I will have to prepare a book on all villages I visited, and that will be not only confined to your language or my language, Malayalam or English, but Hindi and all other local languages. I will try my level best to translate that book and spread throughout India and urban villages. Always, mother tongue, the name itself shows mother's language, mother tongue. So, to heart-to-heart relationship, the language being used in mother tongue will be more good, not only good, but conveying ideas also. They can enter your heart and they can receive your heart also. Mother tongue is the best language.